Okay, so for number 10, we got a 5-digit zip code, and there are, if any of the digits 0 to 9 can be used. Okay, I want to show two answers because I kind of don't like this question. All right, so let's say we got 5 digits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 different times when we have to choose a digit. How many digits are there that can be chosen? There's 10 digits. 0 through 9 would be 10 digits. So there's 10 options here. There's 10 options here. There's 10 options here. There's 10 options here. And I'm multiplying all these because of the zero product, or not the zero product, because of the counting principle. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, that's going to be 10, 1 with 5 zeros. Right? That's 5 zeros. Yeah. So there's 100,000 different numbers that you can use. But here's the problem. There's a problem with this. Does anybody know what the problem is? The problem is with this first one. What's that? Yeah, I can't start with a 0.
So just a high level?
Yeah, and I think that should be stated in this problem. This is too tricky. So, like, assuming that we cannot start with 0, we would change it to 9, and then we would have.
So it would be 9.
Well, Victor, did you have a question? Yeah, I thought you had a question. No. What's that? What can start with a 0? Because it's technically not a number. Like, you can't say this. You can't say 0, 9, 1, 3, 5. That's not a number. You would just ignore the 0, and now it's a 4-digit zip code, and it's no longer a 5. So, I don't know. I think it should be stated, though. But anyways, if you got either of these, you're cool.